Hello everyone, I am back. I missed most of the journey because it's so windy. I don't know how much you can hear me, but I'm off to Manchester Trafford Centre. I'm going to get my iPhone 12 Pro repaired, hopefully. So I've had an issue with my camera. For some reason it makes a stuttering noise, like a static noise, and it sounds like the phone's going to blow up or something, and it won't focus, so I can't take any pictures whatsoever. You'll see what they have to say. I'm going to the Genius Bar, I think that's what it's called. Hopefully they can fix it. I've heard that sometimes they have to take it off you and then send it back, but we'll see. I've never come on my bike before. My bike felt a bit sluggish this morning, but I think that's because I left it for about 2 weeks. This is what confused me as well. I don't know what lane to be in. Oh, I'm in the wrong lane. Just got across. There's a way. There's always a way. Especially with a bike. I don't really know where to park. But I'm running a bit late. I don't know where I'm going. I think I'm late. Yep, I'm late. Oh, yeah, going.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate.